So I built a city and I'm doing a plant cell, and the name of my city is Mia's Cell City. When you first walk in, you see the gate or the border of my city, and that represents the cell wall. Uh, a border of a city represents a cell wall because a cell wall is the rigid supporting layer that surrounds the cells, which the cells represent the city. And then on the left are the guards of the city, and then which represents the cell membrane. The cell membrane provides proteins for a cell, and then it allows beneficial things to pass through while blocking harmful ones, just like guards do in cities. And then when you move into the city, you see the power company. The mitochondria supply the energy for the cell by transforming sugars into energy, as just a power company produces energy, and that's what I represented. And then over here is the lysosomes, and which is a recycling center, which represents lysosomes. And then lysosomes break down food particles and worn out cell parts, just like how recycling breaks down like plastics and other waste. And this is wood, and then this is like plastics getting recycled. And then over here is the Golgi apparatus, or the Golgi complex, which a mailman is what I compared it to, because the Golgi apparatus packages and distributes material from the endoplasmic reticulum, which is like when mailman distribute mail. And then over here is the city hall, which compares to as the nucleus. And then the city hall is where people control and make the decisions, just like the nucleus. And then here's inside. So, and the next is, when you come over here, is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranes that transport like the oils and lipids through the city. And that's why I represented this, because it's like a smooth road, because cars go by and it's very smooth because of the smooth road. And then this one's like the other one, and this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum transports ribosomes, and I did this because it's a rough road, so it's rough, like the cars are on a rough road, so it's really bumpy. And then over here is the cytoplasm. So for the cytoplasm, I made a food truck because it allows for movement throughout the city, and that's in the food, and that's what cytoplasm do. And then food trucks can go from place to place, selling food. And then inside, here's the pantry. So the pantry is with like all the food and other materials, and then in the chest there are meats and other like products. So I made a pantry because it stores food and other waste products, or like not waste but like just products, just like the vacuole. And then over here is the ribosomes. So so I made a kitchen because the ribosomes produce proteins needed by the cells, and a kitchen is a place to produce proteins. And I have all this stuff and then I have a fridge and a furnace to show that it's a kitchen. And then last in the back is the chloroplast. So the chloroplasts make food for the cells using energy from sunlight, and farmers make food and grow plants and like do and like yeah and like make plants and farm stuff and is in the sunlight because it's like outside. So that's why I represented it as chloroplast. And also, chloroplast is only a plant cell and also cell membrane.